Welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing good and you guys are safe at your place. Guys, nowadays gold infused products are so much popular because of its beneficial properties, and it's very popular since the ancient times. And it not only makes your skin look glowing, youthful and bright your skin, it also helps to, it has that antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties as well. So today in this video I'm going to talk about a gold infused product, and that is Saints Botanica Vitamin C 20% E and Hyaluronic Acid Serum 24 karat Gold Night Face Serum. So it has gold particles in it. So I'm going to talk about this beautiful product, and this is one of my favorite products and I just love you. Okay, so I'm going to talk about this product in this video, so keep on watching till the last. I'll be really happy if you just take some time and like, share and subscribe to my channel because it's absolutely free and nothing else. Let's go. Right, so now I'm going to read it out that what this product claims. So it defends your skin from the signs of aging and environmental damage by nourishing it with vitamin C and 24 karat gold night face serum. Your skin benefits the most when it is nurtured with vitamin C of 20% concentration. Maximal absorptions of this potent antioxidant maximize protection from free radicals and photo damage. Premium botanical extract infused in the serum further fortify the anti-aging defense of the skin. So this is what the product claims. Now guys, let's talk about the benefits of this product. Firstly, it plumps your skin. It gives you, it rejuvenates your skin, and it has, it gives you a radiant complexion. And the fourth thing is it has a touch of nature. Now guys, let's talk about the pros and cons of this product. Firstly, it is very light in weight and it is a water-based product. 24 karat gold particles gives you a glittery effect on your skin. And the third thing is it's very lightweight and it's easily applicable in your skin, and it's very lightweight. You will feel very comfortable after applying the product. Fourth thing, it improves the collagen production. Fifth, it has no paraben or mineral oil or sulfate used in this product, so there is no chemical. There are many natural ingredients used during the manufacturing of this product. It reduces the dark spots, pigmentation, fine line, wrinkles. Helps to repair and protect the skin from sun damage. It has a very pleasant smell, and it has the bottle looks very gorgeous and very luxurious. It also improves the elasticity in your skin. And the cons of this product is it's quite expensive. I think it's quite expensive. It is, wait, I'll just tell you, it is 25 ml bottle, and the price is 2,199. so the price is a little bit expensive, and it also has a strong fragrance. Many people might not like strong fragrance products, but yes, it does have strong fragrance. Now let's talk about the packaging, price and more. So the brand name is Saints Botanica Vitamin C 20% E and Hyaluronic Acid 24 karat Gold Night Face Serum, and it's specially for brightening plus night skin repairer. The quantity is 25 ml and the price is 2,199 rupees. If we talk about the packaging, the product is very nicely packed. I really like the beautiful floral printed on it. Also, the look of the bottle is very beautiful, and it is contain a dropper. It is manufactured by Ambroise Overseas Lifestyle Private Limited, and it is marketed by Saints Botanica. Personally, absolutely loving the product. Instantly it makes my skin feel baby soft and also giving a very dewy glow. It has a gel like consistency in a premium packaging with an easy dispenser. Its color is a deep orangish with yellow flakes in it, making it look like a magical potion. To the touch, its texture is slightly sticky but goes away when it quickly absorbs the skin. When applied on a wet face, it retains the maximum moisture while working. It's a magic. Loaded with rich antioxidant, its botanical extract also nourishes, repairs and rejuvenates the skin along with the vitamin C, E and hyaluronic acid. It's combined with the 24 karat gold, making it the best anti-aging product for that I've used. It's highly recommended. I'm going to show you how you have to apply this product. First, you have to cleanse your face with a gentle face wash or a cleanser. Now I have already cleansed my face. Now I'm going to apply this. This is like, you know, you have to press this and then see, you can see the product here. Now can you see the gold particles? You'll get here, and these are real gold. Yes, I'm sharing my experience with you about this product. I've been reviewing this product after using it for last 3 weeks. I'm using it, and the best part is when I wake up every day in the morning, I feel like my face is really glowing and my face is really hydrated. It comes in a bottle, in a yellow color bottle, and it has a small gold particles in it, which makes the bottle very attractive. And yeah, it is easily applicable in your skin, and this smell is quite strong. You can feel irritated with the smell, but and the consistency is also a little bit sticky, but if you apply it gently and massage it gently on your face, it gets absorbed quickly in your. It's really working well in my skin, and I can feel that glow and that instant freshness which it gives. The time when you will apply the product and you will touch your skin, you will feel that your skin has turned very soft and supple. More than effect, there is no side effects of this product because it has natural ingredient in it, and I think it was worth it. Yeah, I invested in the right place. I can purchase this product. Also, I will provide this product link in the description below, so you can go and check it out. Guys, trust me, it is worth investment. That's it about this product. I hope you guys like it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will provide this product link in the description below, so you can go and check it out. You will get this product in discount in Amazon or in Flipkart. I will provide each and every platform's link in the description below, so you can go and check it out. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned with me. Stay tuned with my review videos. So please subscribe to my channel. I need your support, and take care. Bye bye.